how to turn off parental controls on Fortnite. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar just search for Epic Games. After that, click this link right here, and then in this part what we are going to do is to just sign in into our account. After that, what we are going to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the Fortnite button right here. And then in this part, once you are now here, go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click your account. Once you do that, just click account, which is right here. And then in this part on the left screen, just scroll down until you see parental controls. And then in this part, just put the PIN to access the parental controls. So if you forgot your PIN, all you have to do is to click on that and then just follow these steps. So once you have put your PIN in this part, what we are going to do is to scroll down, and then on the Epic's Games payment, make sure that it is turned off. And then what we are going to do on the social permissions is to make sure that this requirement to add Epic friends is also turned off. And then for the Epic voice chat permission, make sure that it is set to everybody. Same goes for the text chat permission. And then for the mature language, make sure that you turn it off. Once you do that, we're gonna go here on the Fortnite settings in this part. And then for the Fortnite content rating, make sure that you also put this to 12 plus years old. And then scroll down once again. And then in this part, make sure that you enable Allow Creative Mode and Unreal Editor for Fortnite. After that, once you do that, you should now be able to play Fortnite without parental controls. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to turn off parental controls on Fortnite.